Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Buzz Patrick from Brawl Stars. So first let's get started with our sunglasses, and on the top on a diagonal we're going to curve this line around and then down on the right. We're going to start on the outside on the right hand side now, curving this line all the way around and then in towards the top. And then we'll move up on the left hand side, replicating that. So in the corner we're going to curve this line around and then back in on the top again. Now from here in the middle, we're going to curve this line down. For the top of the head, we're going to arch this line around and then down on the right hand side. Let's move underneath for the mouth now. We're going to draw in a curved line, bringing that up on the right. And then moving underneath, we're just going to draw in a nice big arch line, bringing that up on the right. For the tongue now, we're going to curve this line around and then down. For the arm, on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up and out. And then starting back on this line, again, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then in. On the right-hand side now, we're going to arch this line over and down. And then again, one more time, coming underneath, we're going to curve this line back around and then in. For the leg now, on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then up. And then on the right hand side, we're going to bring this line down and then back up again. We're going to close this off on the bottom now with a curved line from left to right. For the shorts on the bottom, we're going to curve this line up. Then we'll do the same thing as we bring that further up on the left. We're going to draw on a strap on the wrist now, so we're going to curve this line over and then moving down. Let's replicate that again one more time. Let's draw on the clamshell necklace now. So as we come over on the right, we're going to bring this line up and then across. And then from that line, we're going to bring this diagonal line down, ending that at roughly the same height. On the left-hand side now, we're going to arch this line in. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right. And then again, we're going to replicate that shape, curving this line in. And then one more time, bringing that up. From the points now on the bottom, we're going to curve this line up towards the top. In the middle on the top now, we're going to draw in a rectangle. For the necklace strap on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line up. We'll do the same thing as we move over on the left. We're going to move across now, curving this line back around on the bottom. And then we'll move this up and over on the right. Let's close off the shorts now. So from the corner where our arm meets the leg, we're going to arch this line over. And then we're going to bring this line underneath, curving this across towards the corner on the right. For the pattern on the shorts now, on the corner, we're going to curve this line up, down, up, back over. On the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around, out, and then in. We're going to start back on this line, curving this out, across, back in. And then one more time, just curving this line out, around, and then in towards the top. And that is it. That's how you draw Buzz Patrick from Brawl Stars. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.